Welcome to Vlogmas 2022. So excited about Vlogmas this year. I have a goal of bringing you a video every single day for the month of December. It may be a full-length video or it may be a short, but stay tuned for the ride. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, share it with others, and stay tuned for the rest of Vlogmas. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some behind the scenes of me packing up my classroom for our move to our new building. I am so excited about this move to our new building. So I have about 7 years worth of things to pack up. So if you're a teacher, you already know the struggle. The struggle is definitely real. So I'm gonna show you some behind the scenes of me packing up. And today's focus is packing up some books. So I'm gonna be packing up some books that I'll be taking over with me to the new building. Also putting out some books for the students to build their own home libraries. And also I'm gonna be packaging up some books that I'm going to be donating. Also show you a little sneak peek of our new building. Next week I will be going into the building, so I'll try to give you a little bit of behind the scenes on that. So make sure that you stay tuned. Also have some product empties that I'm going to be sharing with you, so make sure you stay tuned to the end so that you don't miss out on any of this goodness. Okay, so let's get into these product empties. First up is Shine and Jam. So this is the Salon Size Shine and Jam Conditioning Gel Extra Hold with Honey Extract. I already know that this is my go-to when I do my protective styles. And she's gone. And I absolutely love the smell of this one with the honey extract. Definitely my go-to when I do protective styles. I do have a new fave though that I'm gonna share with you, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it, but this has definitely been my go-to anytime that I'm doing protective styles. So Shine and Jam has been that girl for me. Next up in my product, Empties, is a brand that I have been really rocking with this year, and that is Miche Beauty. So this is the Miche Cleanse Moisturizing and Cleansing Sulfate-Free Shampoo. This shampoo has great lather. It has great slip. Absolutely 10 out of 10. Love this shampoo. And then we have the Eucalyptus and Mint Soothing Hair Mask. And when I say good to the last drop, like, this is crazy. Good to the last drop. And I love the mint smell of this. Oh, both of these are a 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Like, I highly recommend all of Miche Beauty's products. They're bomb. I don't know what else to say. They are bomb. Next up in the product, Empties, is from Camille Rose Naturals. This is the Cocoa Nibs and Honey Ultimate Strength Serum made with Ayurvedic, Brahmi, and Amla oils. This is my girl. So I'm on bottle number 2 of this. I use this every single day. And then this is the Rejuva Drops Grow Back Oil. This is the second jar that I have finished of this. Both of these oils, highly recommend. These are definitely my 2 go-tos as far as oils go. Next up in the product, Empties, is from a brand that you haven't seen much on my channel, but I do have a shorts, which I'll link above. And this is from Curls. This is from the Hair Under There collection. And I did a collab with this collection doing a protective style. So this collection comes with a shampoo, it comes with an oil, it comes with, I'll link it up above and in the description box below, but for this product, Empty, this is the Strengthen Me Moisture Mask, which absolutely love. And I used her to the bitter end. I can't describe the smell, but it smells good. This mask says it's a deep conditioning moisture infused mask formulated with a natural protein to strengthen hair after weeks under a protective style. Absolutely love this. So if you haven't tried this line, definitely recommend you getting the mask. Shampoo is really good too, but this mask, chef's kiss. Next up in my product, Empties, is from EBIN New York. It's a 24-hour Edge Tamer Extra Mega Hold. She is that girl. This is jar number 2 that I have finished, and I definitely got to order me some more. I will be using my discount code to order me some more. I'll leave that above and in the description box below. Make sure that you check this edge control out. If you've tried it, let me know in the comment section what you think about it. If you haven't tried it, run, don't walk, and use my code to save some coins. Next up in my product, Empties, is from a brand that I'm not sure if you've seen on my channel. However, I definitely want to get these products again. And they also just came out with a new line that I definitely want to try. So this is from Design Essentials. This is the natural hair line, the almond and avocado line. This is the moisturizing, detangling leave-in conditioner, which smells amazing, has great slip. It is bomb. And then this almond and avocado curl enhancing mousse. I think this is when I fell in love with the mousse. After using this, This combo is bomb. So I definitely recommend these two. I have so many products that I don't need to purchase anything, but these two I definitely need back in my stash. Next up in the product Empties is one of my favorite hair care brands, none other than Uncle Funky's daughter. So this is the Maximum Thermal Protection Deep Conditioner. This is from the Thermo line. This deep conditioner, bomb, bomb.com. My only con for this deep conditioner is I literally have to open this up and pound it out because I don't have time to wait for it to come out of here because this deep conditioner is that good. It's that good, okay? And then Super Curl Bomb Cream, smells amazing, ton of moisture, ton of definition. Super Curl is that girl. Definitely recommend these. Discount code I'll leave above as well as in the description box below. If you have not tried Uncle Funky's daughter's products yet, run and order you some. Great products, Black owned brand. Next up in my product Empties is from a brand that I tried a while ago. I tried, I think it was like a clay mask or a clay wash. I can't remember. It's been a couple of years, but then they were in the curl box, which I happened to purchase, and it is none other than Chronicles. So this is the Hibiscus Hair Healer Healthy Scalp Butter Shampoo with hibiscus, amla, carrot seed oil. This shampoo is bomb. Like, bomb. Ton of moisture. Doesn't have like a whole lot of lather, but it gets your hair clean. It leaves your curls popping like this. She's good. And then the Holy Henna Healing Hair Antenna Deep Conditioning Caramel Gloss with amla, henna, and agave nectar. 10 out of 10, highly recommend both of these. I am so grateful for Curlbox for adding Botanicals because this box is bomb. I'll leave a video up above where I reviewed the entire line that was in the curl box, but these two are in the Empties. Definitely recommend these two products. Okay, next up in the product Empties is from Flora Curl. This is the Rose Water and Honey Cream Shampoo. Nice creamy shampoo, has nice lather, good slip, definitely leaves your hair feeling clean. And then the Rose Water and Honey Molasses Moisture Mask. Ton of slip, very moisturizing. Definitely loved this duo. And last but not least in the product Empties is not hair care, but it is skincare from none other than Love Bold Co. If you have not tried the mask from Love Bold Co., you are missing out. Also have a discount code for Love Bold Co. I'll leave up above as well as in the description box. So check out this Black owned business. My sis has some bomb face mask, body products, and also some hair products. So this is Hello Gorgeous, the Calming, Nourishing, Soothing Mask. And she's an empty. Absolutely love this mask. Thanks so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed my behind the scenes classroom chronicles as well as my product Empties. If you saw some Empties that you've tried and love, let me know in the comment section below. If you saw some Empties that you haven't tried and you're interested in, also let me know in the comment section below. As always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any of my uploads, and stay tuned for the rest of Vlogmas. See you next time.